Morning, first class. How are you all? I hope you are fine at your home. So, the children, this is your sixth chapter from English grammar, singular and plural. One and many. Singular, it means one. Plural, it means many. So, the singular noun are those nouns which we use for a one person, place, things or animal. It is a singular noun. Singular nouns वो होते हैं जो कि किसी एक व्यक्ति, एक जगह या एक वस्तु के बारे में जब हम बात करते हैं तो वो होते हैं सिंगुलर नाउन. एंड वी यूज़ आ विद द सिंगुलर नाउन. सिंगुलर नाउन के साथ हम आ का यूज़ करते हैं. जस्ट लाइक काइट, सो वी कैन से आ काइट. एग, एन एग. बुक, आ बुक. ड्रम, आ ड्रम. टेलीफोन, आ टेलीफोन. सो दिस इज सिंगुलर नाउन. If a noun names more than one person, place or thing, it is a plural noun. So when we talk about for more than one person, place, things or person, it is plural noun. जब हम एक से ज़्यादा व्यक्ति या वस्तुओं के बारे में बात करते हैं तो वो हमारे होते हैं plural noun. Just suppose books, girls, trains, fans, flowers are plural noun. Look here. This is a one cat, so we use a cat. Two cats, so cats. Now before it was a cat without s, a cat, because it's a one cat. Cats, two cats. Now it is more than one. A boy, two boys, more than one boys. An apple, more than one, three apples are here, apples. A tree, trees. More than one tree, it is two trees, so trees. So what is the difference between a cat and cats and a boy and boys? A cat means only one cat. A cat, it means only one cat, and cats means more than one cat. यानी जब हम कैट्स बोल रहे हैं तो इसका मतलब वहाँ पर एक से ज़्यादा कैट्स के बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं. अ बॉय मीन्स ओनली वन बॉय. जब हम एक लड़के के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं तो वी आर सेइंग अ बॉय. दैट व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट मोर देन वन बॉयज, सो दिस इज बॉयज. सो डज नाउन हैव टू फॉर्म्स, सिंगुलर नाउन एंड द प्लूरल नाउन. सो नाउन्स जो होते हैं वो टू फॉर्म्स में होते हैं. वन इज सिंगुलर and one is plural. So you can see here girl, girls, hut, huts, chair, chairs, plate, plates, bus, buses, branch, branches. Okay, so now usually we add s with the noun and makes the plural of the change into plural nouns, just like girl. So we add s with the girl and now it is the plural form, girls. Hut, we add s, so now it is plural form. Chair, one chair, when we add s, now it is in plural form. Plate, plates. Bus, we add es with the, so branch, branches. So now look, so just I will explain you that it will be easy to identify. So how can you change in plural form? Just suppose those nouns end with o, s, x, double s, sh and ch, where we add es with them. Just like potato. Potato is ending with o. Now when we change into plural, we add es here. Es. Now it is potatoes. Bus is ending with s. When we change into plural, it is we add es with them and now it is buses. Box is ending with x. Now when we make plural, boxes. Glass is ending double s. When we change into plural, glasses. Brush is ending with the sh. When we change into plural, we use brushes. Bench, benches. So here, just like bus is ending with s. So now when we change into plural form, so we add es here. Branch, branches. So the children, in this way, you can identify that where you have to add the s and where you have to add the es. So read this carefully and learn the singular and plural. And when we add s or es to a singular noun, it is changed into plural form. जब हम किसी भी noun के साथ s या es को ऐड करते हैं तो वो उसकी plural form में change हो जाता है, जैसा मैंने अभी आपको explain किया. And some nouns do not form plurals in the usual way. For example, और कुछ noun होते हैं जिन्हें हम जिनकी कोई जो के हम s या बिना s या es लगाए उनको प्लूरल फॉर्म में चेंज करते हैं. जस्ट लाइक मैन, द प्लूरल फॉर्म इज मैन. टूथ, टिथ. चाइल्ड, चिल्ड्रन. ऑक्स, ऑक्सन. बेबी, बेबीज. माउस, माइस. फुट, फीट. वुमन, वुमेन. goose and geese. So here we don't add the s and es. So these are more example for the plural forms. Now the children's, you have to do some exercise. Here, read the words given below and place them in a right column. So here these two columns for the singular noun and these two columns for the plural noun. So you have to choose from here. Just suppose plant. Plant is a singular noun. So you will write it in the singular column. Teeth is a plural noun. So you will write here in plural noun. Bottles is a plural noun. So you will write here in the plural column. Spoons is also plural noun. So you will write in a plural. Cows is also plural. Animals. Men. Roses. Table is a singular noun. So you will write here table. Woman is a singular noun. Rabbits is a plural. So you will write in a plural column. Floor is a singular noun. So you will write in a singular column. So the children, in this way you have to complete this, and the next work I will give you in the next class. Till then, bye, take care.